Now for this video, I'm going to show how to edit um, something that you've recorded, right? So for now, I'm actually going to edit some kind of electronic instrument that comes with Logic. And the same rules apply for editing something that you record into Logic or recording audio. But for now, I'm just going to use one of the instruments. So here's a classic electric piano. I'm going to press Command K and create the keyboard. And I'm going to press R to record something. Amazing. Great. Again, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but I can assure you it was incredible. Okay, so now we have this region of what we would call MIDI. I'll explain that later. But I can, how about I actually close this for now to give us a little more action, a little easier to see. I can also zoom in using this. I can zoom in vertically using this one, and these are in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I can also zoom with a command up arrow and the command left and right arrows. That's actually the way I use it too. But once I've figured out what I'm going to do is I actually want to chop something because I want to copy and paste, which is a very useful thing in Logic. So to copy and paste a phrase, I want to find the phrase. So I'm actually going to divide this in half. I'm going to highlight this region by clicking on it. And then there's a couple ways to do this. You can actually press the scissors. Actually, no, not the scissors. Sorry, that's the editing window. Sorry. Let's do it the way I do it. The Command T. And it'll ask you if you want to split because it looks like I'm chopping right in the middle of a note. And I'll say yes. And now I have two regions where there was once one. Once I've kind of divided this up, I can copy and paste it. So once this section is highlighted, I can press Command C and I can press Command V, and pretty much all of the copy and paste functions that we would see in any other computer program are available to us. I can also drag with a control click, an option click rather, and I can copy by just kind of dragging things around. Excuse me. And this is a very fast way to start editing audio. Once I have a small phrase recorded, I can do a lot with it, right? I can also loop it by kind of hitting the top right corner of the region. You'll see this little tiny circle with a bracket. It only happens when you're on the top right part of the region. If you're a little bit lower, it actually becomes something else, just the bracket. But if I want to loop it, it's the top right corner, and I will drag it like this. This means that it's going to loop as far as I drag it, and that means that this phrase will just repeat. If I just want to make this region larger, then the bottom right-hand corner will do it. This is larger, but there's actually no music in this section yet, and I'm going to make another video to talk about how to put more music in there. Of course, we can put the cursor where I want to record, press the show computer keyboard, Command K. I can press R to record, and then I could continue recording, and that is one way to do it. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it without the computer keyboard.